This is a video about the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-15R Supercharged engine. The Kawasaki company has said that it will stop production of the ZX-14R in 2022 because the recent capacity increase in 1000cc superbikes, many of which currently produce nearly 200 horsepower at the crankshaft, has created a problem for superbikes like the Kawasaki ZX-14R. There have been fallback in documents revealing that Kawasaki company they are working on a supercharged superbike to replace the Ninja ZX-14R. This superbike will be equipped with a supercharged 4-cylinder engine. Many rumors suggest that it will be equipped with a 1500cc engine and have a maximum capacity of more than 250 horsepower. Thus, it is possible that the new superbike from the company Kawasaki is about to launch to replace this Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R can be named ZX-15R. Maybe this Ninja ZX-15R Supercharged will be equipped with the same engine as the Ultra 300X water-raft user this DOHC 16-valve 1500cc inline 4 equipped with a supercharger and intercooler to make nearly 300 horsepower. In addition, this new Kawasaki Ninja ZX-15R will be equipped with a lot of electronic technology similar to the superbike models of the company Kawasaki. Okay, do you like Kawasaki Ninja ZX-15R Supercharged engine? Let me know in the comments. Now, goodbye and see you.